Everybody, today I'm gonna to introduce to you is how to change your forms 7% to 8% for invoice. So please go to setup, customize forms, click invoice. I will cover the two layout, which is the item and service. I'll cover item first. First of all, select item, form to customize, select the form that you want to customize and click customize and click the scroll down button all the way down. You may see this text field, which is the add GST at 7%, or maybe your one is called GST 7%. Doesn't matter, just double click inside, and main thing is delete the 7, change to 8 and click OK. And please save form as another name because you may need to use back your 7%. So I will change to sample 8% INVI123. Click OK. And now I can preview. And when I preview, let me all the way scroll down to show you it become 8%. So how about service layout? Same step. Setup, customize form, invoice, sales layout. I will choose service. Form to customize, select the form that you want to customize and click customize. Again, all the way scroll down and look at here, that is the text field GST 7%. What I need to do is just double click inside and change to 8%. Click OK, done. And save form as another name. And click OK. Now I can preview. It will become 8%. So after that, when 8% change to 9%, what you need to do? Follow the same step. Thank you.